It's Miss Cate. I missed you, so I wanted to do story time with you, and my production assistant Luke is going to help me, and we're really excited to do an online story time with you. I've been looking out my window a lot lately, so I thought I would do a story time about birds. But first, let's sing our hello song. Do you remember it? We don't usually sing this one, but Mr. Peter does when he does the sing-alongs, so I thought I would do it for us. So hopefully you remember. So the first part we're going to sing is the hello, the regular hello that we all know. So hello, hello, I like to say hello, 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 hello. Now we can sing it in a different language. Maybe, should we do Spanish? Let's try Spanish. Do you remember how you say hello in Spanish? I think it's hello, and you say it hola. So let's try it that way with hola. Hola, hola, I like to say hola. Hola, 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 hola. That's a fun one to say. How about, let's try French. Does anyone remember how you say hello in French? In French, they say bonjour, which means good day. So let's try that. All right, sing with me. Ready? Bonjour, bonjour. I like to say bonjour. Bonjour, 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 bonjour. That one's hard for me to sing. My tongue gets all twisted. Let's do one more. I think in Mandarin Chinese, they say ni hao. Can you say that one? Let's try that one. Ni hao, ni hao. I like to say ni hao. Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. All right, nice job. Let's sing hello again just so we can come back to the beginning. Hello, hello. I like to say hello. Hello, 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 hello. All right, nice job. I like when you sing with me, although I miss hearing your amazing voices. So I was looking out the window earlier today, and I've seen a bunny today already and a squirrel. All of the creatures are coming out because it's such a beautiful day, and it's spring, and they're starting to come out from their burrows and their hiding places where they've tucked themselves away for the winter. So I thought I would read a book about the birds, since I've seen so many of them too. So this book is called First the Egg. Can you see the nest with the egg? The cool thing about this book is the cover underneath the paper jacket is different. Did you see how when I took the cover off, there's a hole shaped like an egg? Isn't that fun? All right, the rest of the book is really fun too. So First the Egg, the author and the illustrator of this book is Laura Vaccaro Seeger. So she wrote the book and she made the pictures. So she's very talented. This book was published by Roaring Brook Press, and we're grateful to them for letting us read it aloud at Storytime today. First, the egg. Do you see the egg? Guess what? It's another cutout on the page. Do you see it? Can you see my face? Hello? All right, let's turn the page because it says first the egg, then the chicken. Ah, did you see how that worked? The egg from this page broke open and there was a little chick inside. So first the egg and then the chicken. First, the tadpole. Do you know what a tadpole becomes? Let's find out. Turn the page. Then, the frog. So the tadpole becomes the frog. That happens in springtime too. First, the seed. Do you see the little tiny seed here? There's a little tiny hole in the paper. First the seed, and this happens in spring for sure, then the flower. beautiful. First, the caterpillar. Do you see the tiny caterpillar? I wonder if he's very hungry. Probably. They usually are. So first the caterpillar, then, do you remember the butterfly? There he is, in his chrysalis. And then it opens up to become a beautiful butterfly. This happens in the spring too. First, the word. Oh, now we're talking about other things. So here's a word. And one word becomes the story. First, the paint. Whoa, there's another cutout. Do you see what color's behind there? Can you see that it's blue? First the paint, then the picture. What kind of picture did they paint, this person, this artist? They painted a picture with a tree, and there's the butterfly that we saw growing from the caterpillar. Here's the little frog we saw that came from the tadpole. Here's the flower we saw that came from the seed, and there's that chicken. First the chicken, and then the egg. Now we're back to the beginning. Her nest is empty. There's the egg. It's opening. Do you remember what's inside? I think you do. I like that story. That's a good one. That's first the egg. So now let's do a finger play. And this one's called Two Little Bluebirds. All right, find your little bluebirds. There's one. There's the other. Two little bluebirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Oops, that was Jill. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Should we try it again now that you know it? Two little bluebirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Let's think of some more things we could call these bluebirds. What about two little bluebirds sitting on a hill, one named Happy and one named Sad? Should we do that one? Two little bluebirds sitting on a hill, one named Happy and one named Sad. Fly away, Happy. Fly away, Sad. Come back, Happy. Come back, Sad. Ooh. I wonder if Happy can make Sad happy. Probably. Let's do one more. Let's do fast and slow. All right. Two little bluebirds sitting on a hill. One named Fast, one named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. I bet you can think of a lot of names for your two little bluebirds. They'll be flying all over your house, right? That'll be fun. All right, I have another story about eggs. And this one is called An Egg is Quiet. The person that wrote this story, oh, look at all the eggs inside. Wow, lots of different kinds of eggs. Have you seen any eggs outside yet? We'll see some of these very soon. This is the robin's egg. That pretty blue one. All right, An Egg is Quiet. The person that wrote this book, her name is Diana Aston. And the person that made the illustrations, her name is Sylvia Long. And this book was published by Chronicle Books and we're grateful to them for letting us read it aloud today. An egg is quiet. Should I read it quietly since the egg's quiet? I'll turn the pages quietly. There's an egg. Egg is quiet. Have you ever seen an egg that looked like this one? Does this look like the ones that we have in our refrigerators, maybe? No. An egg just sits there under its mother's feathers or on top of its father's feet, maybe even buried beneath the sand. It's always warm and cozy. So this is a hummingbird, this is a penguin, this is a turtle, because don't forget, other creatures besides birds lay eggs. An egg is colorful. Wow. What colors do you see? I see a green egg. I see orange. I even see a pink egg. Lots of beautiful colors. Maybe you've painted eggs that look like these before. An egg is shapely. That means it has lots of different shapes. Some eggs are round, like a circle. Some eggs are oval. Some eggs are pointy. That one has a pointy end. But there's even eggs that are shaped like a tube. That's a fish egg, because fish lay eggs too. I think the eggs that we see in our refrigerator are probably this shape, oval. An egg is clever. That means it knows how to hide. An egg needs to hide in order to stay safe, right? These eggs are on the bottom of the ocean. Eggs come in lots of different sizes. This huge egg is from a very big bird called an ostrich. Maybe you know what they look like. And these tiny little eggs are from hummingbirds. And that's really the size. Isn't that amazing? They're so tiny. They're as big as the end of my finger. An egg is artistic. Whoa. Maybe just like you, artistic. Lots of patterns, lots of colors, lots of decorations. Some very beautiful eggs. An egg is textured. That means when you feel it, you might feel it might feel rough on the outside. It might feel smooth. Sometimes it feels hard. Some eggs are even soft. An egg might even be a fossil. This page is reminding us that dinosaurs laid eggs, and the eggs they laid millions of years ago still look like eggs, but they've become fossils too. An egg is giving. That means the egg helps the creature inside it grow. You can see a little chick growing inside its egg. Here's a little fish growing inside its egg. And this is a grasshopper growing inside its egg. So eggs are built to protect and feed the creatures that grow inside them. An egg is quiet. There's that egg. But do you notice something about it? Do you see right here? There's a little crack. What do you think's gonna happen? An egg is quiet, and then suddenly easy. Oh, look. Those little birds hatched right out of those beautiful colored eggs. They're saying cheep, 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 because that's what lots of birds say. And there's all the different creatures that come out of eggs. We saw some of their eggs when we read this book. Do you see insects, creatures from the sea, frogs, ladybugs? When you're walking around outside on these beautiful spring days, maybe look for some of their eggs. But try to remember, don't touch, because they are trying to keep the creatures inside safe. So, I thought I would show you how to make something that has to do with eggs. So this is a little nest that I made, and here's a little bird that I made for the nest. So this maybe is the mama bird sitting on her eggs before they hatch. So you can make both of these, and I'll show you how. All right, so the first thing you need to make the nest is a lunch bag. That's all you need. Here, I have one right there. So what you do is open it up so that it's ready to put something inside it. But we're not going to put anything inside it. We're going to turn it inside out. This is really loud and fun. So you take the edges and you start to fold them down. You might want a grown-up to help you with this too. So we're just going to turn this bag inside out. We're going to do it all the way to the bottom. Just like this. And when we get to the end, we make it shaped like this. Does it look like a nest? How easy was that? And then what I did was I just got some cotton balls that I had in my bathroom closet, and I put 1, 2, 3. If you have pom-poms, or maybe even you have some candy eggs at your house already, you can put those in your basket. It can be lots of different colors. You could even find some things on the ground outside that might look like eggs. Maybe a stone. So there's your nest. Now you might want a mama bird to put on the outside to sit on her eggs. So to make a mama bird, I just took a toilet paper roll. And I know you all have lots of those. So when you bring your toilet paper roll, first thing you do is you're going to pinch one end together. And you need a stapler. And your grown-up can help you with this part. So you're going to take your stapler and you're going to staple the end of the toilet paper roll together. Just like that. And maybe you need to do 3 staples. That's good. So now it looks like this. So the thing important to remember is if you want to make it a surprise bird or a surprise chicken, you could even put some eggs inside right now, because we're going to close it up the other way. That might be kind of fun. So maybe I'll put one of my cotton balls inside, like an egg. All right, now the thing to remember is you're going to squeeze it together the other way. So we squished it this way, now we're going to squish it this way. All right, so it kind of looks like a wonton, if you know what those are. I like to eat those too. So now we're going to staple that shut this way. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we have our bird's body. And I'm just going to use a marker. You could use googly eyes, or paint, or crayon, whatever you like. So I'm going to put some eyes on. I like to have my bird eyes. Maybe I'll give her some funny eyelashes. How's that look? And then we need one on the other side. Right? Boom, boom, boom. All right. Now you need paper. You can use any kind of paper. I've got this whole pad of paper. Look at all the colors. You can put wings on, anything you want. But you use what you have at home. And another thing you might want to try to use is, I have a lot of sticky notes here, so I'm going to use those because they're easy to stick on. So I'm going to make my bird with orange wings. So I have some little sticky notes, so I'm just going to peel 2 of those off, just like this. I need 1, 2. And these sticky notes are shaped like rectangles. So I'm going to trim them. If you want scissors, make sure you get your grown-up to help you. So I'm just going to trim a little bit off each side to make them look like wings. What do you think? And then you can use the sticky part to stick them on. Make them look how you want them to look. And move them around. And then later on, if you have tape or glue, you can stick them on more firmly. Now what do we need? One more thing. We have our eyes, we have our body, we have our wings. We need a beak, right? Otherwise, this little bird is not going to be able to talk or sing. All right, so I have some of the pieces I trimmed. I'm just going to use those, and I'm going to tuck it in right here. And there's the beak. What do you think about that? Should we sit her on top of our nest? Our nest now has 2 eggs. Remember, she has one inside. We put her in there. All right. There we go. So, should we sing one more song before we go? How about one more finger play before we go? And then we can say goodbye. So you can do the motions with me. And we can do it twice, so once we learn it all together, then we can do it again. So way up in the sky, the big birdies fly. Way down in the nest, you can do a nest like that. The little birdies rest. With a wing on the left and a wing on the right. Dew falls away. Good morning, the little birdies say. All right, should we do it together? All right. Way up high, the big birdies fly. Down in the nest, the little birdies rest. With a wing on the left and a wing on the right, sun comes out, and the dew falls away, and the little birdies say, good morning, good morning. That's what they say. Nice job. I hope you enjoyed this birdie story time. And I miss seeing you. It's time to say goodbye. Get your little pointer. We'll do our little small goodbye first. Goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. My production assistant is laughing with me. Now we should do a bigger goodbye. Ready? Get your regular goodbyes going. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. This is Miss Cate, and I hope I get to see you soon. Have fun looking for eggs and other special things that have to do with spring out there. See you later.